Hey, it's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society. I want to show you guys how to make your own blemish stick at home with just 3 essential oils. Blemish sticks are so simple to make because we're just using 3 essential oils and a carrier oil of your choice. Now, the 3 essential oils we're going to be using today are melaleuca, or known as tea tree oil, copaiba, and frankincense. These essential oils are great for your skin, calming down redness, puffiness, and getting to the root of the breakout by cleaning it out. Now, the carrier oil that I like to use personally is fractionated coconut oil. This is an oil that can work well on your face. It makes it so it can dilute the essential oil, but it doesn't leave your skin feeling greasy after. So this is a great way to pre-dilute that essential oil, so it's gonna go on the skin easier and be able to absorb in better. Now today we're gonna be working with a 22% dilution rate. This is a little bit higher than what you would typically do in a roller bottle because we're using this short term on a specific targeted point, which I mean a breakout. So I get them all the time. Unfortunately, it's just a way of life. You're gonna get breakouts, and by using this, you'll be able to start rolling it on and seeing it go away so much faster. So in this recipe with these essential oils, we're gonna use 15 drops of each of these essential oils. Now, to get the oil out of the bottle into this little teeny roller bottle, you are just going to tip this bottle at an angle until you see the oil come out. 15. It's that easy. And then just do the same with the other 2. Now, we have our essential oil down on the bottom of it. Now I'm gonna take my carrier oil and I'm gonna fill the rest of my roller bottle all the way to the top with my carrier oil. When it's completely full, you just take the roller top, snap that right on in, and now you're good to go. Shake it up, and it's ready to roll right on the skin for any little targeted area you may need help with, whether it's a breakout, whether they are blackheads. This little roller is gonna be amazing on your skin. And doesn't it just look beautiful sitting there on your counter? So that is how to make your own simple DIY blemish stick. You're going to love it. Hope that helps you guys. Thanks for watching.